Andy. Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today, I just want to share a quick, easy, and probably the best Chinese beef stir-fry. The recipe comes from the northwest of China, typically Shanxi province, due to the heavily impacted spices. It yields a succulent, tender meat with complex, smoky flavors that can make you easily indulge in a few bowls of white rice. Please hit the like button and let's get started. I'm using strip steak today, which has a tough silver skin on the side. I like to remove it. Cut the beef into a few big chunks, then slice the beef thinly. By the way, besides strip steak, you can also use beef chuck, flank steak, and sirloin for this recipe. Marinate it with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, half teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda to tenderize the meat. Mix well and set it aside. Let's prepare the rest of the ingredients. Half of a sweet onion. Peel it and slice it thinly. 5 cloves of garlic. Smash and peel them. Some green chilies. Lightly smack them. This helps to release the flavor. Cut them into diagonal pieces. You can remove the seeds if you want. This is pretty hot. If you don't eat spicy food, you can use bell pepper instead. Besides that, you will also need 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of red chili flake. If you can't handle spicy food, you can use smoked paprika instead. The most important flavor profile is the cumin seed and the sesame seed. These are raw, so I have to add them into a wok and stir over low heat for a minute or 2. You can skip this step if yours are roasted already. Set them aside and we can start cooking. Turn the heat to high and heat the wok until smoking hot. That is the most crucial part of this recipe because high heat helps the oil to form a non-stick layer at the bottom of the wok, which makes the cooking smooth and enjoyable. Also, when the meat touches the hot metal, it sears immediately and creates beautiful Maillard reactions and smoky flavors before the beef gets overcooked. That is how you make this dish taste better than a restaurant. The wok is super hot, so in about 2 minutes of stirring, the meat should be nicely charred. Drizzle in some Chinese cooking wine from the side of the wok to help to deglaze the bottom. Add the onion, chili pepper, and garlic. Stir for 1.5 minutes or until the vegetables are slightly soft. Add the ground black pepper, red chili flake, roasted cumin seeds, sesame seeds, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Continue to fry for 30 seconds or until everything is well mingled. And you are done. Look how easy was that? The actual cooking time is less than 5 minutes. Plus the prepping, you can definitely whip up this dish within 15 minutes. The beef is meaty, tender, and juicy. The flavor is phenomenal. It is so savory with a slight sweetness from the brown sugar, which balance all the spices and heat perfectly. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe link is in the description. Go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and authentic Chinese food. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!